This is Dick Johnson from Eyewitness News, Chicago. Tonight's headlines: there's a major storm bearing down on our region. Major storm expected to affect some 30 million United States citizens. 30 mil. We're going to turn it over for details to meteorologist Carl Overbaugh. Carl, you appear to be sporting wood, Carl?
Well, Dick, of course I've got wood. I've been a meteorologist here for 97 years. I've never seen a storm like this.
Don't know why it is snowing all the time. Stormy weather. We are all suffering together. We got our shovels by our side. It's not fair. Everyone has had their share of stormy weather. As all bars are packed together, we're looking forward to springtime.